can see I not put glue, so don't come. I know you can see some of my hairs here, so don't come for me, okay?
Hey ma bella, hey, aïe 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 aïe, mon cœur va chez là pour toi ma bella, aïe 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 aïe, c'est hey ma bella, hey, aïe 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 aïe, donne-moi un sourire, un regard ou un petit câlin.
Yes, I come on with this wig today. Hi my divas, yes, you are in the Divani Hair channel, okay? It's your girl Jenny, okay? I come in with this wig, yes. This is the Goddess Box Bride wig. I don't know if that makes sense. Goddess Box Bride wig. Can see, like, hello. It comes with baby hairs. I don't use it. You can do it like all that story, but I don't want to do that. But you can say hello. Yeah, this is the Goddess Box Bride wig. This wig is from Living Hair in AliExpress. I will leave the link down below. Yes. And I say I need to have this wig. Hello. It's cute. You can do that baby hair story, but I don't want to do it, so that's why I take the hairs and I put it here. But it look cute too. Okay, I love it because it's not too much full, it's not less, it's the perfect fullness and everything. I'm going to show you how I take it to the back of the package, and I do it out of camera. I cut the lace because it comes with lace, and that is all. And I put some makeup in the lace, under the lace, and that is all. It comes lace ear to ear. I did 30x4 lace ears, and you have 3 combs. One comb here in the front and the other side, and elastic band in the back. I will show you everything, so I don't need to talk too much. So yeah, you like my contact lenses. This contact lenses is from colorcl.com. The name of this contact lenses is Cherry, and you can use my discount code. My discount code is JK10 for you to have 10% off to save some coins. The contact lenses is $15, but with my discount code you will have it for $30. Okay. I love this wig. It's cute though. Oh baby. So that is all. Bye. Mwah. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe in the red button. Click the bell down below. Click this bell, you will see down below, and comment. Tell me your honest opinion about this wig. Tell me your honest opinion. Okay, I'm not put glue, nothing. You can see here, only I put it on, and that is all. You can see I not put glue, so don't come. I know you can see some of my hairs here, so don't come for me, okay? Subscribe, click the bell, comment and share this video with your family, friends and everybody, okay? And don't forget, good hair speak more louder than words.